back to our channel. On our last video we left you at the point where we just finished the wardrobes, finished painting them and started the coving. Today is going to be a little day in the life of a renovation in this room, where I'm just going to finish the coving off, do the windowsill, window trims and to finish the radiator as well. I hope you enjoyed our series so far. We really enjoy making the videos. We want to continue doing this. Yeah, any questions, just leave them in the comments and we'll try and get around to them as soon as possible. So the first job, as always, was to remove all the mess from the room. Also as well, we want to paint this windowsill, so we've started to clear all this up. Yeah, and you can see here, a nice clean room to work in. So with the radiator, I filmed as much as I could on my own. It was also the first time I've tried to do soldering for copper pipes. So the reason I had to replace the pipes on the radiator were because originally taking the radiator off, the valve had seized to the copper pipe, which means when I tried to loosen it and take it off to get the radiator off the wall, it split the pipe. So I just decided to replace that right angle bend that goes under the floorboards. Yeah, it really wasn't that difficult. Okay, so the next thing I decided to do was to sand down our windowsill and repaint it. You can see on the one side that because we'd sanded it down to the original wood, and then once we put a coat of paint on it, it turned a bit yellow. So we've decided just to sand it back down a little bit, put some filler over the top, and hopefully then that yellow won't come back through once we repaint over the filler. So I'm going to do that now, and then while that's drying, I'm going to finish the coving off. So our views are gradually getting better each week now we're uploading. Most of them are coming from this IKEA packed wardrobe DIY built-in series. So hopefully you're enjoying the videos on this room. If there are any questions that you've got about the wardrobes itself, you can put them in the comments and I'll try and answer them as best as possible. Also, if you've got any recommendations for videos that you want to see, put those in the comments as well. We've got a lot of things coming up in the future. So far I've only uploaded videos on the upstairs of our house. We've still got all of downstairs to do. Loads of different projects, going to be new for me as well. So yeah, there's a lot to come. So if you are interested in the type of videos we make, DIY stuff, little projects, just to follow along our house renovation, keep an eye out because, as I said, in the future there's going to be a lot more videos to come. Yeah, so if you've been enjoying the videos, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.